Hi there. If you're watching this on YouTube, or you're wanting to watch any of my content on my channel, or both for that matter, I would strongly recommend hitting the subscribe button and comment and like on any videos if you may wish, because this is a general audience channel. Also, this video is not made for kids, it is for older fans and adults alike. So please sit back and enjoy the video.
Hello YouTubers, happy Easter Day, and welcome to another Disney Pixar Cars Diecast review. Today, we're going to take a look at Reverham, Jacksonstorm's crew chief from Cars 3. Before we get right into the review and retrospective, let's start with the unboxing first. Here we've got his artwork for Cars 3, Cars logo, red background, his diecast sealed in, metal logo, Mattel logo. On the back side we have, as seen in, Cars 3 logo, red background, metal logo. The cars seen on the back are Jonas Carvers, Danico Cruz Ramirez, Richie Gunzit, JD McFiller, Barry DePedal, and Hot Rod Smokey. Don't want it. 2021 Mattel, made in China. I'm guessing Mattel is going back to making Cars characters in China. Mattel logo, empowering the generations through play. Disney/Pixar, www.disney.com. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the retrospective, right after Ray has been unboxed. Here we have Reverham all opened up and out of the package. Reverham is a haul-tall pickup truck who happens to serve as the crew chief of JacksonsStorm for igntr in the Pistoncup, and is named after and voiced by former NASCAR Cup Series crew chief Ray Reverham, who was once the crew chief of Jeff Gordon, the voice of Jeff Gorvet. During his appearance in Cars 3, Ray Reverham started coaching Storm starting from 2016 after the Danico 400 at Copper Canyon Speedway and other races. Then later on, while Storm was training on a simulator, and when Storm passes by Lightning McQueen, Ray remarked that he put McQueen in there to give Storm some real competition, and they both left. Then later on in the Florida 500 of 2017, the two were caught off guard when Cruz Ramirez replaced McQueen throughout the rest of the race. And nearing the end of the race, Ray Reverham notified JacksonsStorm that Cruz was heading towards the top 10, and then was in third, causing Storm to slow down towards her. Then another time, when Cruz began in catching up with Storm, Ray notified Storm that she was right behind him. During his diecast releases, he was released a couple times, Once in a 2-pack with the IGNTR Pity, Laura Spinwell, who I don't have, then another time in a single, which I happen to have received from eBay yesterday. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the review. Here we've got his smug facial expression, his grayish black paintwork, and dark black front bumper, headlights and black grille representing a mustache, and headset, side view mirrors, and on the hood we've got the IGNTR logo, and with the slogan, liquid adrenaline, liquid IGNTR, liquid adrenaline. And we also got the truck bed and the number 2.0 in white and a black letter S with purplish blue lining. And on the back side we have the tailgate and the red taillights and the gray back bumper, license plate saying S06-121, and the exhaust pipes. Oh, and I also forgot to mention the gray rims on the Blackwell tires. And on the undercarriage, we have Mattel, Disney/Pixar, made in China. And now let's pull up some of the other crew chiefs. We have Smokey, Cruz B. Souro, RPM crew chief, Doc Hudson in his fabulous Hudson Hornet attire, and Strip Weathers. And some of the other IGNTR members, we have JacksonStorm, his pupil, and Gail Balfort, the IGNTR hauler. And that is it. So what do you guys think? Which IGNTR member is your favorite? For me, I'm afraid I don't have a favorite. And which crew chief is your favorite? For me, I'm gonna say Strip Weathers. And what are you planning for this year's Easter? Let me know what you think, as well as leaving suggestions in the comments down below. And if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos on my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time for another review, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye now!